Anti-aging nutrition tips for beautiful skin and lifelong youth. What if I told you the secret to youthful, glowing skin lies not in expensive products, but in simple everyday habits and foods? Stay tuned to discover the ultimate anti-aging nutrition tips and skincare secrets that will transform your life, because aging is optional when you know the right tricks. Aging is a natural process, but who says we can't slow it down? By focusing on anti-aging nutrition and a healthy lifestyle, you can preserve your youthful glow and enjoy beautiful skin for life. Let's explore how to prevent aging skin naturally, advanced skincare tips, and foods that nourish your body and skin. How to prevent aging skin naturally. 1. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water is the simplest and most effective anti-aging remedy. It keeps your skin plump, flushes out toxins, and reduces wrinkles. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses daily. Though sun protection is key, UV rays cause premature aging. Use sunscreen with SPF 30 every day and wear hats or sunglasses for added protection. 13. Get quality sleep. Your body repairs itself while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of restorative sleep to help your skin regenerate and maintain elasticity. 4. Exercise regularly. Moderate exercise increases blood circulation, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to your skin, giving it a healthy, youthful glow. Advanced anti-aging skincare tips. Double cleansing. Use an oil-based cleanser followed by a water-based one to remove impurities. Retinoids. These vitamin A derivatives stimulate collagen production and reduce wrinkles. Vitamin C serums. Brighten your skin and reduce sun damage with antioxidant-rich vitamin C. Facial massagers. Regular massages improve lymphatic drainage, reduce puffiness, and promote firm skin. Weekly exfoliation. Use gentle scrubs or chemical exfoliants to remove dead skin cells and reveal fresh, radiant skin. The single most important thing for anti-aging skincare. The most crucial factor in anti-aging skincare is consistency. No matter how advanced your routine is, it won't work unless you follow it regularly. Choose products suited for your skin type and stick to a morning and nighttime routine. Health tips, food nutrition facts and benefits. Superfoods for youthful skin. Avocado, packed with healthy fats and vitamin E, it keeps your skin supple. Blueberries, rich in antioxidants, they fight free radicals that cause wrinkles. Salmon, high in omega-3 fatty acids, it reduces inflammation and promotes hydration. Spinach, full of iron, vitamin C, and antioxidants, it repairs skin and maintains its elasticity. Almonds, a great source of vitamin E, they protect your skin from UV damage. What is the best diet for youth? A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats is the best for maintaining youth. Avoid processed foods, refined sugars, and excessive alcohol as they can accelerate aging. Anti-aging meal plan. 1. Breakfast, smoothie with spinach, blueberries, avocado, and almond milk. 2. Lunch, grilled salmon with a quinoa and kale salad. 3. Snacks, walnuts or carrot sticks with hummus. 4. Dinner, grilled chicken, steamed broccoli, and sweet potato. Beautiful skin for life, habits that work. 1. Collagen boosters, consume foods like bone broth or take supplements to enhance skin elasticity. 2. Stay active, regular exercise detoxifies the skin and improves its tone. 3. Manage stress, practice meditation or yoga to reduce cortisol, which breaks down collagen. 4. Quit smoking, smoking reduces blood flow and depletes oxygen, accelerating skin aging. Tips for anti-aging and eating well. Balance your plate, include protein, fiber, and healthy fats in every meal. Stay antioxidant rich, foods like green tea, dark chocolate, and citrus fruits protect against oxidative stress. Herbs and spices, add turmeric and ginger to your diet for their anti-inflammatory properties. Limit salt intake, excess salt causes water retention and puffiness. Conclusion, anti-aging for a lifetime. Achieving youthful, glowing skin is a journey, not a destination. By combining natural skincare practices, advanced tips, and a balanced diet, you can slow the aging process and enjoy a radiant complexion for years to come. Remember, the key to beautiful skin for life lies in taking care of your body from the inside out. Call to action. If you found these tips helpful, like and share this article. Don't forget to subscribe to Health and Wealth for more valuable insights on skincare, health, and wellness. Together, let's embrace beauty and health at every age.